Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at where to download FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program or to the tutorial here. Now this is going to be a mini series on the getting FabriCAM up and started. So in this first video we're going to be looking at actually where to download the software, and then further on we'll be looking at installing and so forth. So the first things you want to do is go to a website called am.co.za. so it's for advanced machinery, and then from there we can navigate to all the relevant places to download the software. So you can either just go and Google search and type in am.co.za, or what you can do is you go on your actual URL, you type in am.co.za, and it should take you to the website. Now if you get here, the website should be looking something similar to this, obviously depending on when you do it and when I've recorded this, but this is currently the new website. So if you're on a form of mobile device, you might have something looking similar to this, where the menu on top is gone. You only have this little three-dotted menu. So this is then where you'll find the main menu. So just keep that in mind if you do not see the menu I've got. But on something like a desktop or laptop, you might have something on this line. So now what you want to do is we want to go here to machines, and then a drop-down menu will appear, and then we want to go to software and drivers. Now once we click that, it will take us to the relevant place where we can see the software they've got available here. And all these softwares are actually you can be found on cncu.co.za. If I zoom in here, you can just have a quick look. So this is where all the software will be located. Now we're obviously going for FabriCAM, so this is the first one. Just zoom in here, and then so we can see we've got the name of the software, we've got the version number, which currently is 1.0.6.7 by the time of me recording this, and then we've got the date as well and a few other informations. So now what you can do is you just simply click on FabriCAM. It will take you to the website, and then if you scroll down, we will see all the files here available. So now we're not going to be covering all of these in this tutorial. So on this current one on downloading, we're just going to be looking at the FabriCAM installation and the version. So now obviously navigate down till you find the latest version, where we saw on the website there it was 1.0.6.7. So once you find it, you can simply click this, and then it should start your download depending on the operating system, the web browser you're using. I'm using Chrome over here, so it will download this to my download folder. I'm just going to pause this until it's done, and then we can carry on with the video. Okay, and now once your download is done, you can either click on it, or you can simply go to your download folder, which I've already downloaded, so I'll go there. And then we can see over here we've got the file downloaded, and it says the version number as well, so we know, okay, this is the right one that we wanted to download. But yeah, in some of the next videos we're going to be looking at installing it, activating it, and so forth. But in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.